The Eat Worldwide is a policy tool used to define government recommendations on eating healthy and achieving a balanced diet. It is commonly used and what the government portrays as a visual tool towards healthy eating. Helping you eat a healthy, balanced diet. Eat Worldwide. The Eat Worldwide applies to most people regardless of weight, dietary restrictions, preference, or ethnic origin. The Eat Worldwide divides the foods and drinks we consume to 5 main groups: fruit and vegetables, potatoes, white rice, pasta, and other starchy carbohydrates, beans, pulses, fish, eggs, meat, and other proteins, dairy and alternatives, oils, and spirits. It is used by anyone, especially when they are overweight, obese, or malnourished. Is used to helping you eat a healthy, balanced diet. Fruit and vegetables. Eat at least 5 portions of a variety of fruit and vegetables every day. Potatoes, white rice, pasta, and other starchy carbohydrates. Choose whole grain or high fiber versions with less added fat, salt, and sugar. Beans, pulses, fish, eggs, meat, and other proteins. Eat more beans and pulses, 2 portions of sustainably sourced fish per week, one of which is oily. Eat less red and processed meat. Dairy and alternatives. Choose lower fat and lower sugar options. Oils and spirits. Choose unsaturated oils and use in small amounts. Aim to drink 6 to 8 glasses of fluid every day. Water, lower fat milk, and sugar-free drinks including tea and coffee count. Limit fruit juice and or smoothies to a total of 150 milliliters a day. Check the label and avoid foods which are high in fat, salt, and sugar. The calories per day a person over 11 years old needs is, if you're male, it must be up to 2,500 kilocalories, and if you're female, you need 2,000 or more. Thank you.